Waving goodbye to 2024, we eagerly welcome the brand new year of 2025. The EagerLED team held a unique New Year's fun event to enhance the sense of collective honor and inspire the spirit of unity. In tug-of-war competitions, team members grit their teeth and fight hard, with each rope carrying the cohesion and unwavering belief of the team. Let's work together and fight for the honor of the team. The blindfolded water collection process is even more fun, and participants need to overcome visual barriers and complete the water collection task with the tacit understanding and trust between teams. This not only tests their collaboration skills, but also adds a joyful atmosphere to the event. The 123 Wooden Man game allows everyone to relax their body and mind after a busy work schedule, and regain the innocence and happiness of their childhood. Team members join hands, forge ahead together, and celebrate the new year. Let's look forward to Yaij Chuang achieving even better results in the new year, unite as one, and embrace more challenges and opportunities.